As you arrive, there's an immediate sense of something truly special. A home that blends thoughtful design with an incredible natural setting along the banks of the Assiniboine River. Set on an expansive 66 by 360-foot lot, the newly finished stone driveway welcomes you in, hinting at the quality and care that continues throughout the entire property. Step inside, and you're greeted by an inviting foyer with a convenient coat closet. From here, the home opens beautifully into the heart of the space, a stunning, fully renovated kitchen. Quartz countertops shimmer under natural light, while the large island with breakfast bar offers the perfect place for casual mornings or gathering with friends. Soft-close cabinetry, high-end appliances, and thoughtful finishes create a space that is as functional as it is refined. Just off the kitchen, the dining room offers a perfect setting for hosting. And from here, the home transitions effortlessly into the living room. A bright and welcoming space with windows on two sides, allowing sunlight to pour in throughout the day. An electric fireplace with a beautiful tile surround anchors the room, creating a cozy focal point for relaxing evenings. A garden door leads you outside to a raised deck and an expansive stone patio, ideal for summer entertaining, quiet mornings with coffee, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings. Back inside, the main level continues with a well-placed two-piece bathroom, along with a thoughtfully designed laundry and mudroom. Featuring new appliances and built-in cabinetry, this space is both stylish and highly functional, with direct access to the impressive 24 by 24 garage. Fully insulated and drywalled, the garage features a newly coated floor and a custom insulated overhead door. This level also offers 4 spacious bedrooms, an exceptional layout for families or those who value flexibility. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, offering generous space, a brand new walk-in closet, and a beautifully finished ensuite bathroom designed with comfort in mind. The second bedroom features 2 deep closets, while the third and fourth bedrooms each offer large closets and plenty of natural light. Engineered hardwood flooring flows seamlessly underfoot, running throughout most of the home and tying each space together with a clean, modern feel. The main bathroom has been completely updated and includes both a relaxing soaker tub and a separate shower, combining everyday function with a touch of luxury. The lower level expands your living space even further. Here, a large family room with 3 oversized windows creates a bright and comfortable area for movie nights, entertaining, or simply unwinding. A built-in cabinet with a wine cooler and sink adds an elevated touch, perfect for hosting. There's also a fully renovated bathroom on this level, complete with another soaker tub and separate shower, offering both style and versatility. In the utility room, you'll find all the important upgrades already taken care of, including a high-efficiency furnace, new hot water tank, and a heat recovery ventilation system, ensuring comfort and efficiency year-round. But what truly sets this home apart is what awaits outside. The backyard offers a park-like setting with mature trees providing privacy and beauty in every season and beyond. Direct access to the Assiniboine River, a rare and peaceful connection to nature that's hard to find within the city. Whether it's an evening walk, a quiet moment by the water, or simply enjoying the view, this is a setting that elevates everyday living. With every detail thoughtfully considered, from new electrical, plumbing, and windows to the roof and exterior siding, this home has been completely reimagined for modern living. All that's left to do is move in and enjoy. Contact your realtor today and experience this exceptional riverfront home for yourself.